Hey guys, Sabris here, back with another video. Huawei has recently released the Android 6.0 Marshmallow update for its previous year's budget phone, the Huawei P8 Lite. In this video, I'm gonna help you guys out with the problems faced in the process of upgrading. But first, let me show you guys the build number and the Android version in the settings. As you can see, let me focus please. Focus. As you can see, uh, it is currently running the Android version 6.0 Marshmallow. Yeah, and it has the build version C185B160, which is the build version for the Middle East Android 6.0 Marshmallow of Huawei. Please make sure that you download the file from of your region. There are different regions like Europe, Middle East and Asia. So for this update you need a computer and an SD card. If you want to be on the safe side, you'd better go to the Huawei service center for the update. I also went to the service center and they updated my mobile to Android 6.0 Marshmallow for free, as my mobile was under warranty. But if your mobile is out of warranty, you would have to pay around 750 rupees here in Pakistan. I don't know about other areas. Now getting towards the manual process, to update the device you need to download the file from the link drop down below in the description box. You should download it on your laptop, not mobile. When you'll download the update on mobile, it won't work. It will fail. I did that and it failed for me. You should download. You should download it. You shouldn't download it directly on your mobile, or else your update will fail and you may get an error or a bug into your mobile. Once the file has been downloaded to your laptop, you should extract the file to your laptop, not to the mobile. And in the file there will be a deload folder. In the deload folder there will be a 4 GB of file. Please move that folder, the deload folder, to the SD card you want to use during the update. SD card should at least have 5 GB of storage. I currently have around 10.28 GB on my SD card. Please make sure that you have enough data available. After removing the file, you should put the SD card into your mobile so that you can update. Once the file has been moved, not only the files, the deload folder, you should go to the settings like I am showing you. Go to the go to updater and tap this menu button. Oh wait, yeah. On the 5.0 and the Android 5.0 you will get an option local update. Tap on that. Here it is. I don't know where it is. Let me check. No, there is no option of local update on this version, Android 6.0 Marshmallow. But yeah, there is an option of local update on the Android 5.0 Lollipop. You should tap on it. Then the mobile will show you a file. And the name of the file, you should know what the name is. Tap on that file to install. After the installation has been done, please reset your mobile as it is recommended by Huawei. If it was not reset, my mobile wasn't reset, I'm gonna reset it after making this video. After you have successfully factory reset your mobile, you'll be good to go, and you'll find many features to play with in the Android 6.0 Marshmallow. I would recommend you to upgrade it, but go to a service center so that your mobile doesn't break or something. There is a great risk of breaking when you make when you try to upgrade your mobile. So yeah, thanks for watching my video, guys. If you like my video, please give a thumbs up to my video, and please subscribe to my channel and stay tuned, as I'm gonna make some more videos on the Android 6.0 related to Android 6.0 Marshmallow on the Huawei P8 Lite. So yeah, that's pretty much of it, guys. Thanks for watching my video. Peace out.